A large tank was filled with water at a constant rate. The time and amount were recorded in the table. Complete the table below to show how many gallons of water are in the tank after 370 and 425 minutes. One way we can solve this problem is to look at the constant rate, or the ratio of time versus amount. And to do so, what we're going to do is that we're going to add a row to this column, row to this table, to help us determine this rate. So we have a constant rate, and that constant rate is that we can have time over amount, or another way to look at this is minutes over gallons. So the constant rate here, in 5 minutes, you have 5 minutes, there was 1 gallon of water. So the constant rate would be 5 right here, minutes per gallon. And this is just a ratio of 5 over 1. If we follow this pattern, constant rate means that all these should be 5 all the way through. So let's see. So what's 85 divided by 17? Well, that's equal to 5, and we were anticipating all of these being 5 as the constant rate. 210 divided by 42, that does also equal 5. On the next one, let's pretend like this. Let's pretend like we didn't know it was 57, but knowing that's a constant rate, we have a constant rate of 5. Could we predict what the amount of gallons is following this pattern here and doing a little bit of math? Well, we know that we'd have 285 divided by an unknown number is going to be equal to 5. And to get that answer, if you go 285 divided by 5, guess what that answer is? It's 57. And so if we follow that pattern for the next one, 370 divided by 5, well, that is going to be equal to 74. So that means there was 74 gallons of water after 370 minutes. And for the last one, we have 425 minutes. That constant rate was 5. If we divide that, that number is 85. And so that means there's 85 gallons.